What's up? Hey you guys, what is up? What is up? Anyways guys, so I'm on my way to the beach. I'm just waiting on my cousin to get here. So gonna put on a little bit of eyeliner real quick. You guys, let me tell you, last night was the worst, okay? The reason why I'm going to the beach is because I think the baby has dropped down my pelvic area. Okay, I'm not sure. I don't know. I don't really know, but that's what I'm assuming because the pain I was in last night, I could not lay on my sides, and you can't sleep on your stomach or your back. I'm like, girl, the pain I was in last night, and I noticed that the pain wasn't my normal pain. It was not my normal pain. So I was like, hold on, this pain is a little bit intense than usual. So listen to me. When I say, where's my oil? When I said I could have barely walk yesterday, I'm not kidding. I couldn't even walk yesterday. Okay? It was that bad. I don't know how you females do it 3 and 4 or 5, 6 times. But this is enough for me. This is enough. Girl. Baby, I had to use some of this oil last night. At first I was not going to use the Benjamin healing oil because I was like, it's not going to work. The pain is too intense. I don't think it's going to work. But baby, when I tell you this helped me so good last night to loosen up them joints, because sometimes my hips lock on me, and people might be like, all you need to do is go walking and stuff like that. Walking don't work for me. It makes the problem worse. Okay, so I'm going inside the salt water today to see if I can loosen up my bones a little bit. I don't know, my pelvic area. It just feels like a big pussy bump is on my vagina, a big huge one, and I had boils and pussy bumps like under my arm. And let me tell you, it's no joke. It's painful as hell. So there is no bump on my vagina, but that's how it feels. Okay, it feels like I'm carrying around a bump full of pus on my vagina, like a few of those, because I experience boils under my arms. I already know how it feels. It's painful down there. It's so painful. I was like, let me go inside the salt water to try and loosen up, because sometimes like I say, my pelvic area, it locks, my leg locks up on me, and whereas it can't really move. So I think I need to do more stretches as well. But this is painful. This is not even labor yet. I just could imagine. I hope my legs don't lock up on me. I hope I get get energy during labor, because this is no joke. So that's where I'm heading. So I guess I'll see you guys there. I don't know what time this crew is coming, but babes, so my cousin is here. I'm about to head out. Let me get this towel, bag, water, and I think that's gonna get me an apple. I'm starting to get hungry. Anyways, guys, so we're at the beach. I'll be still holding on to this car seat.
You can't go in the water with your phone, else your phone could be destroyed.
Yeah, it's just waterproof.
Waterproof? So I can drop it in the water?
Yeah, you want me to get money to buy it back?
I thought you said it's waterproof.
Oh, look at these big dogs.
I
tell you that.
And they bring that.
You can see that man in there.
They're coming fast from everyone. They're cute.
Hey guys.
Hi. I'll be giving me these Crocs. Of course they can fit.
I just want to go buy some right now. The Chinese of them for $35. Real Crocs.
Real?
real. No, I ain't say they're real. Just trying to have real pork soup.
It's probably low today. Look at the sun. I'm feeling the pressure of the sun.
Bonnie takes my crocs, man. She's supposed to buy them.
You got it?
He ain't going now. Beautiful day. Water cold. You gotta go in the peace with the sun. Where the sun is, sir. The sun feels nice. This one drawing hard.
I'm like a mess. I'm not the doctor's office. All my curls and sweat out. Being here from 5 o'clock is after 10. Clinic was a disaster today. All kind of mix up. God. My boyfriend was like waiting. Clinic was so mixed up today. Oh my God, mixed. I don't know why it just looks like my nose is extra swollen today. Some of the clinic. Y'all, I don't want to go through this again. I really don't want to go through pregnancy again. Clinic was really rough today. I hate how like they make pregnant women feel like they supposed to be superhuman, you know, or superwoman. Anyways, guys, like I was saying, I'm back from the clinic. About to make me something to eat, something quick and easy. Yeah, but like I was saying, like I don't like how you treat pregnant women. I'm not gonna lie. They treat us like, I don't know what's the right word I want to. I don't know. Anyways, I'm gonna save that for the next video. I'm just gonna go make me something to eat, then I'm gonna go and pack my hospital bag all over again. Yeah, because this baby is about to come. That's how it feels. I've been having a lot of pressure. Next week, the doctor said that I'm gonna be 38 weeks next week, and he wants to sweep me. Sweep who? Who? I heard about it. No thanks. So we're gonna try and induce our labor. Okay, little speedy. I don't know. Probably drink some cinnamon tea or pineapples to see if we can make her come a little early. Okay. But anyways, after I'm done from eating, I'm gonna pack my hospital bag because this needs to come. Yeah. There goes my lunch. Good morning, you guys. Anyways, so I just took my clothes of my first hospital bag and I'm gonna put it inside a suitcase. It makes more sense. So that's what I'm gonna do. These are clothes here. It's already folded up. So I'm just gonna put it inside the suitcase real quick. I'm in so much pain, guys. Anyways, guys, you guys just gonna watch me put these stuff up inside the bag. I'm not gonna be saying what I have inside my bag because there is like literally like a million videos on YouTube with people packing their hospital bag and shit. It's like, ugh. So I'm just gonna put these things inside the suitcase and yeah. things inside the bag. Okay, I tried doing like I fold them up different, like the rolling method. Girl, this is too much. The wipes isn't even in the bag yet. This is too big. I don't know. Yeah, I don't know what I'm gonna do. I packed what they have on the hospital bag. I mean the hospital list. I don't know. I hate to repack this. I don't know. God. So it looks like we're carrying 2 bags, okay? Because my powder alone is like diapers, okay? They are big and heavy, and I was planning on taking like some Depends adults. It's like almost a half a bag I put inside here because I really don't want to go short on these, okay? And then the wipes, they have to go in here as well. This is going to be my dirty clothes bag. The robe is not going because it's too big. I'm upset because I really wanted that to go. Okay. Good morning, you guys. So I just came on here to end the vlog. Because I never do. Yeah, I'm just gonna go and make me some breakfast. Probably start a new vlog today. I don't know. I'm not sure. But anyways, I'm still in a lot of pain. Okay. When I went to the clinic on Thursday, my doctor prescribed me to some painkillers. But yeah, my cousin was like, don't take the painkillers, okay? Because pregnant women don't supposed to take painkillers. They're supposed to take no medication. So, whatever. I haven't got the painkillers yet. My oil is a handy dandy oil, but I just hate getting no oil all over the place, all over my clothes and stuff like that. If I wear that oil, I probably have to be like kind of naked. But anyways, I think this video was pretty choppy. Like I was all over. This baby keeps moving. Anyways, guys, I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.